Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to get working promo codes for DoorDash. I think a really easy way to do it is just search promo codes DoorDash into Google. And there's several different sources that will have codes. For example, the LA Times. The thing about doing it this way is some codes may be expired or may be already used. So you have to make sure that when you go to use them that some may be taken already, or it may just be for a first order or for a 20 plus order. So there's certain restrictions that you need to watch out for um, when you're doing this. So this is just what I do is search it in Google and see all the different sources with all the different coupons. There's a few different sites that have them. So if the first one doesn't work, make sure to go to the next one to find the best code.